These are the ingredients for Maja Blanca. We need 4 cups of coconut milk, 1 cup of cornstarch, 1 can of sweet kettle corn, 1 small can of evaporated milk, 1/2 granulated sugar, and cheese. Mixing bowl, combine the evaporated milk and 1 cup of cornstarch. Mix until the cornstarch is dissolved. Then set it aside. Pour the coconut milk in a cooking pot, and once boiled, add the sugar, and the sweet kernel corn. And simmer for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of simmering, add the evaporated milk and cornstarch mixture and stir constantly for about 3 minutes or until cornstarch is cooked and the desired thickness is reached. There. Pour the mixture in a molding pan. Distribute evenly and flatten the top. Top with cheese or roasted peanuts. And the last step, refrigerate until firm and serve cold. Hello. Ayan, sir. Ito na po yung finished product ko, which is Maja Blanca. Kaya po ito yung napili kong dish to represent my personality kasi sabi po ng sister ko and other cousins na I'm sweet but corny. Yun, sir. Bye-bye!